The DJI Pocket 3 is one of the best cameras out there on the market today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys tons of tips and tricks to mastering your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put an SD card in your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, upon looking at the Osmo 3 here, there's a lot of different ports, but it's right here on the side by this joystick. You'll see that little slit right there. That's where you put in the SD card. Now, as far as putting it in, you do not want to put it in this way. You're going to want to flip it around so that the face of the card is opposite and put it in just like so. That, and then you'll click it in just like that. You almost got to dig your fingernail in there to get it to click in. There's probably some type of tool out there, but I always just use my fingernail. Now to get it to pop back out, all you have to do is push in on it again, and then it pops out just like so, and you're able to remove it. I'm going to show you guys how you can stop the auto recording feature. Okay, this will stop the Osmo from recording in auto. So let me just show you guys how that works. So when you flip the screen, it automatically comes on, and then it starts recording immediately. You see that? Sometimes you may not want that. You gotta hit this button to make it stop recording. But yeah, sometimes you may not want that. Maybe you want to shoot a time lapse or use one of the other features on here. But then you have all these 1 to 2 second clips of recording footage because it automatically records. But to stop and disable that from auto recording is you need to swipe up from the top, and it's that second icon there that's orange. You'll tap on that, and it says screen rotate and capture. Right now it's toggled on. Now I just tapped on it and it toggled it off. So therefore now, I'll exit out of there, it will not record. So let's go ahead and give it a try. We'll go ahead and turn this off. Let it go through its seconds. It's powering off. All right, now we're going to power it back on. And right there, it's not recording anymore. I'm going to show you guys how you can format your SD card. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is slide from the top, pull it down just like so, and go to that gear icon on the bottom left. You'll click on that, and then now you're going to scroll, and just keep scrolling all the way down to format. You'll see that option right there. It says format. You'll click on that, and it says swipe to format SD card. And then you'll just swipe it across like that. Format in progress. Do not remove SD card. All right, now depending on how much footage you have on the card, it may take a minute. Okay, and then as you can see, it says I have a 60 gig memory card, and right now it's at 59.4 because, well, it's never going to be at the complete 60 gigs, but the card is now formatted and ready to use. Okay, you may get an error sometimes that says SD card speed slow, shooting may stop. Now, if you get that, the reason being is the SD card that you're using in your Pocket 3 is not the correct card. The one that you're going to want to use looks like this. Now, I know that might be a little bit smaller to see, but what I'll do is I'm going to put up here on the screen right here. These are the specifications and the cards that DJI recommends to be used on their devices. So I'll also link these cards in the description down below. That way you guys can find them and order them there. But that's the way to fix that particular notification that comes up on your screen, is to get a new SD card. I'm going to show you guys how you can stop the rotating power off feature on the DJI Osmo 3. Okay, by default, DJI has made it to where if you slide this thing up like this, it'll automatically power off, but you got to hurry up and hit continue. So they only give you a few seconds to stop it from powering off, which can be good or bad in some cases, but I find it to be a little bit annoying. So I want to turn that off because there are times that I want to record maybe vertical video or shoot a picture in vertical mode, and then I have to hurry up and make sure I hit that button, and sometimes we don't move that fast. But I'm going to show you guys the way to disable that. what you want to do is swipe down from the bottom like so, and click that gear icon in the bottom left corner. And then you're going to want to scroll to rotate screen to power off. Right now, it's set to 2 seconds, and I'm going to set it to never. And then click back, and then exit out of it. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. There we go. And now it's not powering off, and you can actually just power it off by hitting this red circle button on your own. 1, 2. See, in 2 seconds, and now it powers off. So, okay, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to change the video resolution on your Osmo Pocket 3. As you can see here on the bottom, it is by default a 1080p as you open it up out of the box. But some people may want to get that 4K resolution, better clarity of video. So the way to do that is you swipe up from the bottom like so, and you'll see that the video resolutions are here on the top. You just toggle over to 4K like that. And I recommend if you're just shooting an everyday regular footage, the 4K 30 is a good frame rate to be at. Now say you want to have more of that cinematic look, then you can switch it over to like 24 or 25. If you want to go more of a slow motion, then you can take and put that over to a 60. But the 4K 30 frames per second is a good video resolution to put this at. But I'm going to show you guys how you can change your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to shoot from video, to taking pictures, to doing time lapse, and all the other features that they offer. Okay, the easiest way to do this is down in the bottom left corner. You'll tap on it, and you'll see right there are the settings. Now, here's the thing about that is it's pretty quick. So you got to click on it, and then you can start moving it over. There's panorama, there's photo, and right now it's set to photo. Right there is video, low light conditions, slow motion, and time lapse. But if you notice, as soon as you leave it on something, it only gives you a couple seconds before it's selecting it. So kind of a good and bad feature, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and put it back into video mode, and then voila, it's like that. That's how you change the video, picture, time-lapse settings, slow motion settings. I'm going to show you guys how you can view and play back any kind of photos or videos that you take. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do this, but first let's go ahead and take some sample footage. I'm just going to go ahead and hit that record button there. All right, now it's recording, and we'll just wave my hand here in front of it to show you guys some sample footage. All right, now we'll go ahead and stop it. All right, now we have a clip recorded, and to view it and play it back on your screen here, you just swipe over. All right, now it's recording, and we'll just wave my hand here in front of it to show you guys some sample footage. All right, now we'll go ahead and, okay, that's how you do it. And then I go back to the screen to record again, just swipe over that direction. But that's the quick and easy way to view and play back any kind of photos or videos that you take. I'm going to show you guys how you can change the gimbal speeds, the gimbal rotating speeds. Okay, you might be in some cases where you want this gimbal to rotate a little bit faster. Let me show you how the speed is coming out of the box. See how it rotates like that, and like so. Go ahead and center it back up. Now, if I want that to move a little bit faster, what I'll do is swipe down from the top there. And then you see that guy that's running right there on the bottom, third one over. Just tap on that. And it's set by default. It says gimbal moves at a moderate speed, which is suitable for most scenarios. So it's at a moderate speed by default. If you want to slow it down, you can tap on that feature there, and gimbal will move slowly to take smoother videos, or you can put it on fast mode. Gimbal moves abruptly and creates screen shake effects, which is suitable for capturing fast moving subjects. So depending on what you're shooting, that's how you change the rotational speed. I'm going to show you guys how you can change the screen brightness. Okay, by default, the screen brightness comes out to a max setting, but you may want to conserve on some battery or change the screen brightness if you're filming indoors. And the way that you do that is you swipe down from the bottom right there, and the third option over on the top looks like a little sun. You'll click on that, And right there, you'll see that the screen brightness is at 100%. You can take and just rotate it down to wherever you like it. We'll just say we'll put it at 50%. 52% sounds good. All right, and then click that back button like that. And then go back to your screen and you'll see now it's a little bit dimmer. Just wipe it back down from the bottom, put it back to 100% if that's where you like it. But that's how you adjust the screen brightness. I'm going to show you guys how you can zoom in and out. Okay, one of the great features about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is that this gimbal here, it can rotate up and down, or it can zoom in and out, which makes it very versatile in doing things. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little example. Here's a little pocket knife that, say I want to put it in the shot just like so. If I move the Joy-Con right here, the joystick on the bottom, if I rotate it up and down like that, it moves it up and down. But just say I want to zoom in on it. It's not a matter of, like pinching and zooming like on a cell phone on your screen. You actually got to do something a little different. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see where it says 1.4 or something like that. 1.6. All right, so what you got to do is you tap on it so that it says 1.6 like that. And as you can see, now when you move your Joy-Con, it's zooming in and out instead of rotating the actual gimbal. And then to go back the other way, you'll tap it again so that the 1.2 now is inside. There you go. See, now I'm tilting it back up and down, zooming in and out again, tap it again, and then it zooms in and out like that just by moving your joystick. So say I want to film like this pocket knife here. I'm just going to put this as an example in the shot there. And I want to make sure that I have the lower thirds, or that I have this centered correctly on the shot. DJI by default has a clear screen. And maybe if you want to put those lines that are on there, almost like a tic-tac-toe board, you can do that. So what you got to do is slide from the bottom or from the top, and then you'll see at the bottom left corner there's a gear icon. You'll tap on that like that, and then you're just going to scroll, keep scrolling almost all the way to the bottom right there where it says reference lines. You want to click on that. And then right now the toggle on the grid is off. So say I want to toggle it back on, and then it does give you a few other options there, but I'm just going to leave it on the toggle, or on toggle on grid. We'll go ahead and exit out of there. And as you can see, now I have the lines on there. So maybe I can put my product in the middle of the screen, or whatever it is that you're trying to capture or shoot. But that's how you put the grid lines on the screen for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, this is a quick and easy way to show you how you have the ability to have a wireless remote control for this Pocket 3. And it comes with having this device right here. If you buy the Creator Combo, it comes with this microphone. And this mic here has a lot of different features other than just being a wireless microphone for your Pocket 3. So say you're wanting to record yourself and you're on the other side of this camera and you can't reach around, hit the record button right there. You want to do it remotely. You can use this by powering it on. Okay, now it's powered on. And then that top button there, all you do, well, let me swipe this away. That top button there, you can start and stop recording on your DJI just by pressing that. So watch, we'll give it a try. Push that top button. There it goes, and then it's starting to record, and then push it again to stop. There you go. That's a wireless way to record, start and stop on your Osmo Pocket 3. I'll show you guys how you can factory reset your DJI Pocket 3. Okay, this is how you factory reset it. So what you do is go ahead and power it on, and then swipe down from the top there, and you'll see the options here. You're going to want to go to that gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Now you're just going to want to swipe. Keep swiping all the way. It's near the bottom. And right there, you'll see factory reset. Go ahead and tap on that. And it'll want to confirm if you want to restore to factory settings. And then you'll just click on confirm. And as you see, it'll start, all right, and then you'll see it start doing its factory reset, and there you go. There you have it. It's back to as if you bought this thing brand new. And that's how you factory reset your DJI Pocket 3.